Ever walk into your house and feel tired before you even start cleaning? Like the mess is staring back at you. Silent. Heavy. You pick up one thing, then another, and suddenly it's hours later. Your energy's gone. But what if cleaning didn't have to drain you? What if it felt light, simple, almost effortless? Today on Cleaning Vibes, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep your home clean without feeling exhausted. No pressure, no chaos, just calm, easy routines that actually work. 1. Start with a realistic plan. Every clean home begins with a plan. Not the perfect kind, a real one. One that actually fits your life, your energy, your time. You see, most people jump into cleaning like they're entering a race. They try to do everything in a single day. It looks good on paper, but by the evening, their back aches, their head spins, and the house still feels half done. That's why setting a realistic plan matters. Think about your week, your busiest hours, your calm days. Break it down. Decide what's daily, what's weekly, what's once in a while. Kitchen counters daily, bathroom once a week, windows maybe monthly. When you know what to do and when to do it, cleaning stops being chaos. It becomes rhythm, quiet, manageable, and honestly, a little bit satisfying. 2. Declutter first before you clean. Here's the truth. You can't clean properly in a mess. It's like trying to sweep the floor with shoes still scattered everywhere. The first real step isn't the mop. It's decluttering. Slowly, piece by piece. Start with one corner, or a drawer, or that shelf you keep avoiding. Sort things out. Keep what matters. Let go of what doesn't. Trash. Donate. Move. Every item removed is a bit less weight on your shoulders. Clutter drains energy, not just space. Once surfaces are clear, wiping becomes easy. Dust doesn't hide behind random objects anymore. In a room, it breathes again. You'll feel it. That soft, light feeling. It's the sound of less work waiting for you. 3. Build a simple 15-minute daily routine. Here's a trick most people ignore. You don't need hours to keep a house clean. Just 15 minutes a day. That's it. Set a timer. Pick a task. Move fast. Wipe counters. Pick clothes. Make the bed. Sweep a small area. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just consistent. These short bursts keep dirt from growing into something monstrous. You can split it 10 minutes morning, 5 at night, or the other way around. Over time, these tiny routines become habit, like brushing your teeth. You barely think, but the results? Big, clean spaces, less pressure, less exhaustion. 4. Use smart tools that do half the job. Old heavy vacuums, stiff mops, buckets that splash everywhere. They make cleaning harder than it should be. That's why smart tools are game changers. A cordless vacuum glides like air. A steam mop cuts scrubbing time in half. A robotic vacuum hums while you sit. Microfiber cloths catch dust like magic. Even a good spray bottle can make wiping faster. These tools don't just clean, they save your energy. They reduce the effort so you can focus on the small details. You work less. The house looks better. That's a win. 5. Clean as you go. Always. Most cleaning exhaustion doesn't come from the act. It comes from waiting too long. Dishes pile. Laundry grows. Dust thickens. And suddenly it's overwhelming. The secret is simple. Don't wait. Clean as you go. Rinse dishes after eating. Wipe the stove after cooking. Put things back after using them. Tiny actions, done in the moment. They stop the mess from turning into a mountain. You'll notice something. The house never really gets dirty. It just stays balanced, calm. And you never reach that point of tired panic cleaning anymore. 6. Focus on the busy spots first. Not every corner of the house needs daily attention. Some places barely get used. Others? They're like highways. The kitchen, the living room, the bathroom sink. These areas collect dirt fast. Focus here. Wipe kitchen counters daily. Sweep entryways often. Keep the bathroom mirror clear. These few zones decide how your whole house feels. If they're clean, the place looks good. If they're messy, even a spotless bedroom won't help. Target the high-traffic zones first, and everything else falls into place more easily. Less effort, more impact. 7. Break big tasks into weekly themes. Trying to clean the entire house in one go is a recipe for burnout. A smarter move? Weekly themes. Break things apart. Assign a focus to each day. Monday, bathrooms. Tuesday, dusting and shelves. Wednesday, laundry and bed sheets. Thursday, floors. Friday, windows or forgotten spots. Weekends? Just light touch-ups. This pattern spreads the workload evenly. It keeps the house in constant rotation. You don't panic when guests arrive because something is always in decent shape. It's like running a calm, invisible system behind the scenes. Quiet, steady progress. 8. Don't do it all alone. If you live with others, the house isn't just yours. So the cleaning shouldn't be either. Too many people carry that silent frustration of doing everything themselves. It builds up, slowly. Involve everyone. Kids can pick toys. Teenagers can fold laundry or vacuum. Adults can divide based on their strengths and time. Make it routine, not punishment. A shared home should mean shared responsibility. When hands multiply, effort divides. The house stays clean and nobody ends up exhausted. Simple math. 9. Make cleaning feel less like work. Sometimes the real problem isn't the task. It's the mood. Cleaning feels boring, heavy, endless, but it doesn't have to. Turn on music, a podcast, an audiobook, open windows, let air in. Use cleaners that smell good, nothing harsh. Challenge yourself. Beat the clock. Make it playful. When your mind enjoys the moment, your body doesn't feel the fatigue as much. Suddenly, wiping becomes dancing, vacuuming becomes rhythm, and cleaning stops feeling like punishment. It's just part of life. Lighter, easier. 10. Rest. Reward. Repeat. After every bit of cleaning, no matter how small, pause. Sit. Breathe. Look at the space. Clean corners. Shiny counters. Quiet floors. Appreciate it. That's your work. Reward yourself. A tea, a break, a moment of silence. This is how habits stick, not through force, through gentle cycles of effort and rest. And here's the truth. Your house doesn't have to be perfect, just good enough, clean enough, manageable. You don't need a burnout to live in a clean home. You just need rhythm, little actions, consistency, and rest. And that's it. Simple steps, small changes, big difference. Keeping your house clean doesn't have to break your back or your spirit. It's about rhythm, not rush. If this helped you breathe a little easier, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Cleaning Vibes for more calm and practical tips every week. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it light, and keep the vibes good.